New cultural sites have been added to Unesco's World Heritage List. The newly inscribed sites are located in several countries across the world. Hello televiewers of Travel TV, thanks for joining us on this other edition of Travel News on Travel TV channel. Like mentioned some seconds ago, new cultural sites have been added to Unesco's World Heritage List. During its meeting in Baku, the World Heritage Committee inscribed new cultural sites on Unesco's World Heritage List. The newly inscribed sites are located in Azerbaijan, Portugal, Russia, Spain, UK, Poland, Canada, Australia, Bahrain, Japan, India, Indonesia, Burkina Faso, Italy, Albania, the USA, amongst others. Entertainment in this newscast, online submissions of songs and videos ahead of the 6th edition of the African Music Awards are ongoing and will end on August 2, 2019. What are the criteria and the specificities of the 2019 All African Music Awards? Cathy Robinson tells us more.
Following the unveiling of the calendar of events for the 6th Annual All African Music Awards organized by Africa Union Commission, the entry submission process is open to African music artists living on the continent or abroad, as well as producers, record label owners, recording companies, video directors, DJs and dancers, including unrecorded artists. A song or video to qualify for submission must be produced or released within the year August 1st, 2018 to August 2nd, 2019. Winners in the 36 categories across the 5 regions of Africa and music genre will take home 23.9 Sarat gold-plated AFRIMA trophy. The main awards ceremony, a 4-day fiesta of music, glamour, Afrocentrism and entertainment, holds from November 6 to 9 on the official awards host city Accra, Ghana. Meantime, during the 5th edition, which partnered with the Ministry of Tourism, Arts and Culture, 9 Cameroonian artists were nominated. They included Daphne, Charlotte Dipanda, Renis, Gasha, Numerica, Loco, Magasco, Shura, King Stephen, among which Daphne emerged the winner of the female artist in Central Africa with the song titled My Love.
Dans la société africaine, la musique demeure souvent omniprésente. Quelle est la musique africaine la plus écoutée pour l'instant? Travel TV est descendu sur le terrain ici à Douala et vous avez les réponses dans ce Vox Pop.
Selon moi, le meilleur artiste de l'année, c'est Rude Boy, donc le frère de Pisco, le Nigérien.
Je peux dire Herritage ou Bébé Philippe. Voilà les 2 artistes que pour le moment, je vois qu'ils font du buzz un peu de partout. Même dans des fêtes, il n'y a pas une cérémonie sans que ces 2-là ne soient là, ou en boîte de nuit sans qu'ils ne soient là.
Selon moi, le musicien africain le plus en vue pour le moment, c'est Kérosène. Quand quelqu'un laisse, quelqu'un prend.
Selon moi, le musicien le plus en vue est Herritage avec son titre Amina. Voilà.
De quelle nationalité?
C'est un Ivoirien, un gars très talentueux. Voilà, ça nous fait danser et c'est vraiment bien.
Wizkid et Burna Boy, qui sont des musiques vraiment actuellement écoutées dans des snacks, dans des nightclubs. Quand je m'y trouve, c'est ce que j'écoute plus. Comparé aussi, il y a aussi Mr. Léo, qui fait aussi cartonner avec son tube MN. Et du même avis que Salatiel avec Amina, qui donne vraiment beaucoup. Anita plutôt, et non Amina. Amina, c'est l'Ivoirien Herritage. Anita, c'est le Camerounais. Salatiel qui fait cette musique.
The long-awaited movie premiere of Broken, produced by XZWAP's Entertainment, has taken place in Bamenda. Breaking the ice, dancing, singing, interviews are some of the exciting activities that accompanied the movie projection Broken. Our reporter Cathy Robbins Anding was in Bamenda and put together the following report.
It was a memorable event full of activities. The movie premiere of Broken, which took place at Nekla Hotel Food Market, Bamenda, is an epic movie shot in 3 locations: Bamising Village, Mankon Village, and Bambui Polytechnic School Campus. The movie sought to expose a tyrant faun who hates development and, by so doing, trade the body parts of villagers with the outside world.
Who is he? Who made him ruler over my people? Mafo.
Singing, stage battle, projection, and cutting of the cake was what made this day's activity. The red carpet reception was remarkable.
I'm a producer, I'm a scriptwriter, I'm an actor. In Cameroon, it's not really easy to be a producer because without sponsors, being a producer, you do everything yourself.
Actually, I really have 2 guys I really like to meet up with them. I have Desmond White and Gary Edwin. Yeah, Gary Edwin is my best actor, you know, I like his boldness in acting.
The movie premiere did not only host celebrities, but beyond.
Shout out to Travel TV channel, so I just want to say, keep watching Travel TV for the best details.
One of the biggest challenges is listening. One time, like Broken we're talking about, was not into it. And machine and laptop that was
Present at the events were public figures, movie icons, filmmakers, writers, editors, producers, and visitors. Interesting fact of the movie is that in every situation you find yourself in, there is always a solution.
It is on those beautiful images that we put an end to this edition of Travel News on Travel TV channel. Thanks for watching and stay on Travel TV for more information and entertainment in the tourism industry. Travel TV, travel without borders.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share and click on the bell icon to get notification on our latest updates.